When you hear the word cancer, the next word is usually chemotherapy. But did you know that today there's a revolutionary alternative changing the way we fight cancer? Immunotherapy. Let's break down the difference and why more patients are exploring better, smarter treatment options. Chemotherapy has always been the backbone of cancer treatment for decades. It uses powerful drugs to kill cancer cells, but it also hits healthy cells, causing side effects like hair loss, fatigue, vomiting, and low immunity. It's fast acting and still very effective for many types of cancers, with success rates varying between 40 to 60% depending on cancer type and stage. Now enters immunotherapy, a smarter way to fight. Immunotherapy is a cutting-edge cancer treatment that doesn't attack the cancer directly. Instead, it stimulates your body's own immune system to recognize, target, and kill cancer cells, just like it would fight off a virus or infection. Think of it as supercharging your immune system so it can detect and destroy cancer cells that usually go unnoticed. Fewer side effects, more precision, and for some cancers, longer survivals and even complete remission. In fact, immunotherapy has shown remarkable success rates of up to 70% or more in cancers like melanoma, lung, and Hodgkin's lymphoma. So, what's better? Chemotherapy is quick and aggressive, great for fast-growing tumors. Immunotherapy works slower but smarter, ideal for advanced or immune-sensitive cancers like lung, melanoma, bladder, and Hodgkin's lymphoma. And many patients today receive a combination of both for stronger results. When talking about price, the difference is massive. In the US, immunotherapy can cost $8,000 to $15,000 per session. In India, the same treatment is available for just $2,500 to $4,000. Chemotherapy, as low as $400 to $700 per cycle, all with world-class infrastructure and global drug standards. Why India? India is a global hub for advanced cancer care thanks to internationally accredited hospitals, highly skilled oncologists, access to cutting-edge treatments, and affordable pricing. Plus, shorter waiting times and personalized care make India an ideal choice for patients worldwide. Confused about which treatment is right for you or your loved one? Alafia Meditalk connects you to India's top cancer hospitals and expert oncologists, offering transparent pricing, second opinions, and complete support from diagnosis to recovery.